Hello friend, I am Pankaj Kumar. Right now pursuing my second year MCA from Lakshminarayan College of Technology, Bhopal. I'm doing internship from the Spark Foundation as a web developer. They assign banking system, basic banking system. Create a simple dynamic website has specific features, and I have done using MySQL, that using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP. Let me show you the code. Entire code I will upload on GitHub. You can see from there website. Here is my basic banking system, Sparks banking system. Um, the main objective of the project is to develop online banking system for banks. In present system, all bank works is done manually. Users have to visit bank to withdraw or deposit amount. In present bank system, it is also difficult to find account information of account holders. In this bank system, I have automated all the banking process. In my banking management system, user can check his balance online and he can also transfer money to other account online. In this website, you can keep record for daily banking transaction. The main purpose of developing banking management system is to design an application which could store data and provide an interface for retrieving customer related details with 100% accuracy. This banking system also allows users to add new customer account, delete account, and user can also modify existing user account information. Using this system, users also search any individual account in few seconds. Using our banking management system, user can also check any transaction in any account. Our system also provides security checks to reduce fraud. The system will check user existence inside the set of service with respect the users. The main objective of the system is to provide a secure system. Our system is protected and it's only allow authorized user to access various functions available. Thank you. Let I show you the features. Here is the user. I have added only 10 users right now. It's me, Pankaj. Here are the 10 users of this bank right now. I show you the bank balance. It shows 14 lakh 98,950 rupees in my account. Homepage. Transfer funds. Send Pankaj to Sakshi. 5,000 rupees. Transfer successful. Okay, so it's done. So let's see Sakshi's mini statement. Let's see get or not. Sakshi have 4,55,000. Let's see mini statement. Yeah, Pankaj have sent 5,000 right now to Sakshi. and I can show you from transactions also. You can see Pankaj sent 5,000 to Sakshi. Here's the Pankaj, the Sakshi, this 5,000 rupees. I'll show you. This is the about page, the home page. Users can see the account, users information to transfer money. You can press also here, receiver, abhi amount 1,000. If they transfer, it's done. Let's see transactions. Yeah, Pankaj have sent 1,000 to Abhi. Let's see the users. Abhi. Yeah, here. He has right now 56,000. Let's see mini statement. Yeah, Pankaj has sent him 1,000 right now. Okay. Let me show you MySQL database. HP localhost my PHP my admin. Local host PHP my admin. Yeah, it's done. It's opening right now. So you can, this is my database. It's opening. Yeah, here is the mini statements and the transactions of customers. I'll show you. Here is the transactions that I did right now. You can see I have sent 5,000 to Sakshi, 1,000 to Abhi. I show you users of my banking system. Here are the 10 users of this banking system: Pankaj, Anurag, Pawan, Abhi, Sakshi, Swati, Simon, Akash. These two from name. Okay. So